Tired of keeping score the old school way? Let your phone do the heavy lifting. Here are the 3 best golf scorecard apps that every golfer should have in 2025. 1. Golfshot. Golfshot is the ultimate all-in-one golf app. It not only tracks your scores but also gives you GPS distances on over 45,000 courses worldwide. You'll love the detailed stats, club recommendations, and 3D flyovers. Whether you're a weekend warrior or serious about lowering your handicap, Golfshot delivers. 2. SwingU Golf GPS. SwingU is more than just a scorecard. This app includes powerful game analysis, personalized coaching tips, and a GPS rangefinder for every hole. It even tracks your strokes gained stats, just like the pros. Best of all, it works great without needing a premium subscription. Third, Hole 19. Hole 19 is clean, fast, and packed with features. Track your scores, monitor your progress, and enjoy GPS yardages for over 43,000 courses. It also connects with your Apple Watch and lets you share rounds with friends. It's a favorite for golfers who want simplicity and performance in one place. And there you have it, the 3 best golf scorecard apps to elevate your game in 2025. Which one are you using this season? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more golf gear and app reviews.